Hi, this is a short tutorial on record types. Now, in old classic Salesforce, you used to be able to create a record type and then do the pick list and then do the process and then do the page layouts, but not anymore. At least that's what I remember. Probably remember it wrong. But here's what I wanted to show you. A record type could be anything related to an object. Controls the business process, the pick lists, the status bar across the top, but also subordinate pick lists once the process is done, right? Or dependent pick lists on the same object, and then page layouts. What people see, what people don't see. Let me show you. All right, so here I am in my org. Right, the first thing that you do, of course, is you can check something like this is just demo data, and this is the status bar with the process. This is the standard process. So what you do is you go to setup. Again, you don't go to case like in classic. You go to object manager. Boom. Right? Then you go to the lead. Then you're in the lead object manager, which includes lightning components, bolt-ons, etc. And here are the fields. So what I did was I added a couple items to the lead status for a new lead process. I added the unknown and the known unknowns. I might as well add the demo unknowns. I misspelled it, right? And I'm going to associate it to the lead process I just created. So the first thing you do is the pick list. Then, right, you associate it. It's not here. You have to go back to setup and associate the pick list to a process on the object, right? So if you're dealing with the lead or custom object or Jürgen's object, it's the process on the object. Here we go, right? This is the process. So let's just do another process. I'm going to deactivate this one right here and just show you how easy it is. Oh, cannot be deactivated. Look at that, because it's being used. Well, let's edit this one. Nope. So you create a new process here, whatever it is. Demo unknown process. Blah, blah, blah. Save that, and then you associate it with a list, a process that you've created here. Here, this one is just, this will go from open, not converted, demo unknowns. See how easy it is? That's my new process now, and it's active. Once you activate it, then it's associated with a process. Now, let's do record type. Record types. Well, we can do record types for groups. That's a whole different story. But staying back on the object, whatever object you're working on, again, not lead associated. See all this stuff with lead? This is not where it is. Assignment rules, all this. This is all regarding to marketing and LinkedIn leads gen and all that. A lot more functionality in Lightning. No, no, no. You go to Object Manager, Lead Object. Here it is. Record types. I have one unknown record type. Let's get a new one since it's already associated with it. And here's how you control the process. The demo unknown record type, whatever you want to call it. Going to make it active. And then here, notice here's where you link the lead process that you want. And then who do you enable it for? Maybe just for sysadmin. or a standard user. So now the standard user will have demo, known, whatever you assigned, right? And next is, what's this page layout? And this is where the page layout comes in. There are a lot of videos on how to do page layouts, and you assign it for each one, whatever, right? But all this really doesn't matter because I only chose system administrator and standard user as the ones who can even see this process. And so they will only be able to see this regardless of what you choose with the others. Just save, done, right? And the last part is page layouts. And this is where you can do page layout assignment right here. See? Here are the record types and associated with the process. And here are the users. Even though on this thing, you can't see that, the analytics, the marketing user can't even see records with the record type of whatever I created, remember? So it doesn't really make a lot of difference. But if you edit it, that's how you edit it, like here. Oh, let's do unknown. That doesn't matter, but the standard user can see that. So what's their default page layout for if the record type is this? It should be this. And that is how you do it. Again, go back to this first, decide on a process, right? Add to the standard pick list. So your status bar on the lead object up here is different. Then assign the business process, right? Then assign a page layout, and then you can edit the other pick list too. And that's how you do that. At the same time, assigning or making visibility to different profiles. Thank you so much. Have a great evening.